Hello and welcome. Today I bring to you a review of this brand new kit. It's an AH-1Z Viper by Dream Models in 1/72nd scale. I personally never heard of Dream Models before, but I saw the pictures of this kit online and I really liked them. So I decided to give this kit a try go. Alright, so let's start first with the box. The box features pictures of the finished model. These are all the extras that come. And then on the other side, we can see the kind of markings that it comes with. Now let's dive into the contents of the box. So the kit features one clear sprue, it can only be modeled in the closed position, and then you have two gray plastic sprues. It also comes with a photo etch thread and the decals. And then you have a single page for the instructions. And a single page for the markings. These markings, well, the type of paper and the type of drawings kind of remind me of a trumpeter kit. So they may have built it in collaboration with Trumpeter. Let's start by taking a look at the sprues. This is the main fuselage. It's very well done. It's very crisp. You can see the panel lines there. A lot of molded in detail. In this sprue you also have the blades. As well as some rockets. We also have the landing skids. Wings with the hard points. I believe this is a part of the cockpit. Detail there. Have the wheels of the dolly that comes with. This is the other side. That is the tail rotor blade. Definitely no flash that I see. These right here are the sensors for the nose. You can see the rockets here. Very finely detailed. The other sprue, we have the other half of the fuselage. You have the engine exhausts. It's part of the cockpit missiles. And you have the fans. Very finely detailed for being 1 in 72nd, and it has a lot of parts. You have the other two rotor blades. These, I believe, are the seats. So you have blank areas. I'm guessing a decal will go there. Very little to no flash. This is the area of the cockpit. Very finely detailed. Next, you have, see the camera focus, there we go, canopy. Very clear. Let's see how clear it is. So not a lot of distortion. It's very, very clear. Also have the decals here. Here we go. These are the electronics, stencils. Very nice decals. And finally we have the photo etch fret. See some of the grills there. You also can see here seat belts. So a lot of the grill details are going to be in photo etched. And then finally we have the instructions, single page. Starter, seats, cockpit. You move into the exhaust, all the armament, wings. This is for the trolley, rotor blade, guns. So you're almost all done with the whole helicopter in just one page. Second page, you're putting the rotor blades. And it's pretty much a choice of what you want to put in there. You want the skids or you want the little dolly that comes with it. You also have pieces of photo etch for the dolly. So there are some parts that I want to focus a little bit more. I want to see how well this step 10 is. Number 37 and 54. So let's look them up. So this is 54 there. These are the gun barrels. Very nicely detailed. And let's see if I can find 37. And there we go. 37 right there. This will be the tips of the game barrels. They are very nice. So you wouldn't need to get some aftermarket barrels unless you really want to. And lastly, we have the markings. And like I said before, this is very trumpeter-esque. This is probably the one that I will build with a sharp note. And that's it. Pretty simple kit, lots of parts, a lot of configurations that you can build it. And it seems very nice and well detailed. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.